This is an index file for a legacy dBASE database. It helps the database search faster. It is not a document you open. It must stay in the same folder as the DBF file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic NDX corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. An NDX file can refer to two distinct file types. Primarily, it's an index file used by the dBASE database management system to speed up data retrieval. It contains pointers to records within the associated .dbf database file. It can also be a Nintendo Entertainment System (NES) game file index, used to organize and manage ROM files. dBASE NDX files store record pointers in a B-tree structure for efficient searching. NES NDX files typically contain metadata about the ROMs, such as game titles and file paths. The structure of an NES NDX file is not standardized and varies depending on the software used to create it. dBASE LLC endorses dBASE as the main tool for handling NDX files. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot display meaningful content from these files, so dedicated database tools are required to read them. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the NDX file and hit Open With. Test dBASE if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If your NDX file is not opening yet, that is normal. Because the NDX format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklists. First, recognize the file type. Understand that an NDX file is an index or metadata file used by a main application, e.g. FoxPro database, and is not meant to be opened manually. Next, use Associated Application. Open the corresponding main file, e.g. the DBF file, or launch the application. Finally, delete and recreate. If the associated program is throwing index errors, delete the NDX file and allow the program to automatically recreate a fresh index. If the NDX compatibility attempts failed, the problem is usually that the extension name is being used by a program you don't have installed yet. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the NDX file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. Help me keep producing high-quality content by hitting the like button and subscribing right now.